Dear students, welcome to online virtual classroom of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai. I am Sri Kumar. This class is for 5th standard scholarship students. Let me begin the class.
Dear students, this video is on intelligence test of class 5 scholarship. As it is a test of intelligence, and we know that the way for learning, a way for getting ready yourself for intelligence test is practicing and practicing. Why? Because intelligence is something what is inborn. We can polish it, we can just warm up, and we can practice, and we can become sharp in that. In maths we understand things, then we solve some examples and practice it. In language we will we will read the language, we'll listen the language, we'll speak the language, we'll write the language, thereby we improve. As far as intelligence is concerned, you have to undergo different type of application of intelligence. So let us get into the straight away to application. What is meant by that? We will get into the questions. These questions are which have come before. This is from 2019 question paper. This video questions are. The number is 26 before, because from that number intelligence question starts. All these things are known to you. The question over here is, make a meaningful word taking the second letter of the given words, and there can be meaning or there cannot be meaning. It will depends upon, but we have to take the second letter of each word. From that meaningful word, which letter will be at third place from right? Question ही important है. Question समझना important है, because within that the error can happen. So let me pick out the second letter of each of these words given. Here it is L, here it is V, here it is E, here it is C, here it is E, and here it is R. So I will write down those letters here: L, V, E, C, E, R. How many words are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 2, 6. 6 are there. This is E over here. So we have to make a meaningful word out of these letters, and I'm giving you time to think about it. The meaningful word that can be derived is clever. Correct? All these alphabets are used. The question is, from that meaningful word, which letter will be at the third place from right? 1, 2, 3. The letter is V. This is the correct answer. So 2, 3 things are tested: to pick out the second letter, to frame a meaningful word, and to get the third from that from right. So the peculiarity of the question you should know. It's not straight. We'll go ahead. Here it is to pick out the odd man out. From stomach, food pipe, small intestine, and lungs, you have to pick out the odd term. Odd means जो उसमें match नहीं होता. Your time starts now. The answer in this case is, according to me, lungs. Why? Because stomach, small intestine, and food pipe are part of digestive system. Your knowledge of science is checked over here, and your ability to find the odd man out, that is a part of intelligence. Again, odd man out. Rajasthan, Gangapur, Maharashtra, Patne, pronunciation may be different. Madhya Pradesh, Bhimbetka, Gujarat, Lankanach. I think in this session this is a tough question for you because how familiar you are or I am with these locations or with these names. Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat is known, but Gangapur, Bhimbetka, Patane and Lankanach, for what it is famous is a tough thing. If anybody have an idea, they can think for a while by pausing the video. And the answer here is Gangapur, but all others are having its own historical importance. Gangapur is a city. This comes only by reading and knowledge. Here is a set of figures where you have to pick out the odd. Quite simple one because here alternate dark and black and white alternate. Here that is disturbed. This must be the odd by simple approach. Everywhere black white is in a clockwise way it is colored. When here you are having white then black, 3 white black, so it becomes odd. Odd can be because of any reason. Go ahead. Again odd man out. Here is a series of figure, rotating figure it is. Rotation is expected here. I'm giving you time to think. The answer over here is this, because one way it is in reverse. That's the main reason. This is a reverse figure. This has been turned because if you are thinking this is clockwise, here you see this. It should have been the other way. Anyway, that figure is odd. You should not apply too much of philosophy or thought in that immediately. This is also for odd man out. One 53, 136, 102, 115. You're asked to pick the odd man out. This question I am leaving because I am getting more than one answer and some doubt in that. I will clear it in the next video, the 31st question of this question paper. The answer I am getting and the answer given in the key for this question is also different. If you are getting a correct answer with reason, you can write in the comment below the video, because it's sometimes it so happens there are more than one answer. Sometimes board will be giving bonus way because there will not be answer in the option. Sometimes the board means the exam board will be cancelling the question or adjusting the answer. All these things are happening, and this is one such question in that question paper, I remember, and I have to verify it once again before telling you, so I just skip this particular one. We'll go ahead. Question number 32 of the same question paper. Find the number which will replace the question mark in the given number series. This is coming in series. Your ability to identify the series is asked. The series given is 13, then 17, then 25, then 32, then 37, then what? This is the question. I am giving time to think. some questions take long time to get the answer. These kind of questions are always in the paper. We will find out the answer, because if you think in serially, 13 plus 4 is 7, then 17, then 17 plus 8 is 25, 25 plus 7 is 32, 32 plus 5 is 37. फिर इधर क्या है, कुछ कनेक्शन नहीं मिल रहा है. 13 plus 12 is 25, 25 plus 12 is 37. Oh, both are 12. Okay, 17 plus 15 is 32, right? In that case, this can be 32 plus 15 is 47. This can be the answer. Any kind of relationship will be there, maybe alternate, maybe continuous, maybe jumping to the third place. Okay, this way it is. Good. Here comes another question. The strength, give me the strength lightly to bear my joys and sorrows. This is a statement, and the statement, how many times vowels are occurred? You have to count the vowels. The vowels are, you know that, A, E, I, O, U. This you have to count. Observation ability is checked over here. You will simply count, keep on counting. This I am not spending much time. You can see 13 times vowels are coming in this statement. You will find it out by pausing the video and spending time in counting again and again. But do it quickly. We'll go ahead. (35 to 39), some direction is given. The three words are given with some common characteristics. A group is formed. Select a word from the option given which has the same common feature in the given group. एक group है, वो group में बैठने वाला कौन सा है ढूंढना है. Itching, cough and cold, corn. You are given the other cold fever बैठते हैं क्या, measles, cholera and dysentery. Which one will be in this? I think the answer is cold fever. Why? Because these are all some kind of infections or symptoms. They are cough, cold, fever, itching, corn are symptoms. Cholera is a disease, dysentery is a disease, measles is a disease. This is a symptom. So that will be the answer according to me. That can be the answer here, my dear students. We need to find out what can come next. That is a question. Again, under the same category, choir, heap, pile. You are asked to find out whether humming, march or crowd or mile will come next. Take time to think. You can pause the video if you want to think yourself, because I will keep on talking. You will get disturbed. You can pause the video. थोड़ा pause करके फिर चालू कर लीजिए ताकि आपको सोचने का टाइम जितना चाहिए उतना. अभी स्लो ही चलेंगे. By the time December, January, you will become smart enough to do fast. See how to think. I am saying this choir, heap, pile, these are English words. All are name given for a group of things. Choir is related to music group. Heap is related to some grains can be kept as a heap. जैसे कि चावल है या गेहूं में हम अगर एक ऐसा, मैं अगर बना देता हूँ, ऐसा शेप में रखेगा, मतलब बहुत डालने के बाद ऊपर से ऐसा डालेगा तो गिरने के बाद चावल सब हीप में रहेगा. पाइल भी इफ यू पाइल अप थिंग्स, एक के ऊपर, जैसे पाइल ऑफ बुक्स भी रख सकते, एक के ऊपर एक दूसरे, वैसा बुक्स है समझ लो, तो उसको, सो ऑल दिस आर ग्रुप. सो हमिंग इज नॉट कमिंग इन दैट, march is not coming in that, mile is not coming in that, but crowd is a group of people. So that must be the answer. That way we have to, what is my purpose of explaining you? Way of thinking will be explained. Oh, here what is next? This kind of questions are very interesting and very common. There is a peculiarity in the figure. This is not series. ये मत समझो कि एक के बाद दूसरा है, दूसरे के बाद तीसरा है, ऐसा नहीं है. All are independent, but there is a kind of intelligence used in making it. And this is giving clue for us. In fact, ये दोनों सेम है. मतलब दोनों सेम कभी होगा, इसको अगर हम पलटी मारे तो भी वैसा ही है. इसको जब ऐसा पलटी मारे तो ऐसा हो जाता है, इसको पलटी मारेगा तो ऐसा हो जाता है. पलटी मारने मतलब दिस पार्ट विल कम डाउन. सो नाउ दिस विल कम डाउन, देन दिस शुड बी लाइक दिस अकॉर्डिंग टू मी. वो तो ये नहीं है हमारा आंसर. इफ दिस इज लाइक दिस एंड दिस शुड बी हाउ इट शुड बी, दिस विल बी, सी ए इज द क्लू, ए वैसा ही वैसा. ई का देखो, ई कैसे हो गया, ई पलटी मारने से भी ई हो गया. तो ये जब पलटी मारेगा ये उल्टा नहीं होगा, ये ऐसा ही रहेगा. इसका आंसर ये ऐसा होना बनता है, क्योंकि ये ऐसा ऊपर से नीचे आ रहा है. मिरर इमेज नहीं बन रहे, मिरर इमेज अलग बात है. नाउ दिस विल कम डाउन, या दिस इज द आंसर. इसको भी चेक करता हूं, ये अगर उल्टा है तो ऐसा होना बनता था. सो 3 इज द आंसर. मिरर इमेज नहीं है, बट ऊपर का नीचे पलटी मारा है. अगर मिरर इमेज होता था ये ई ऐसा होता था, करेक्ट. और ये ऐसा नहीं होता, ये ऐसा ही बैठता था मिरर इमेज में. ये मिरर इमेज भी है, पलटी भी है. सो दे आर kept a very good question. This you should spend time. How 3 became the answer? What are the possibilities? Not mirror image, it's a different approach. Reversing, inversing it. Continuing. Something similar but little more complicated. सेंटर पे तो स्क्वायर मेंटेन किया है, सर्कल अंदर आ गया, फिर सर्कल अंदर आके उधर बैठ गया, उधर से गया नहीं, तो वो सीक्वेंस नहीं फॉलो कर रहे. बाहर का हमेशा चेंज हुआ है, तीनों आ गया. तो नेक्स्ट में आने के लिए सर्कल ही है, तो नेक्स्ट में सर्कल तो आना है, तो इसमें और इसमें आंसर चाहिए. और कुछ गया नहीं इधर. स्क्वायर ट्रायंगल सर्कल, सर्कल ट्रायंगल स्क्वायर, सर्कल स्क्वायर एंड ट्रायंगल, ऑर्डर बदल रहे. तो इसमें तो ट्रायंगल को उठा दिया, ये दोनों नहीं है, ये दोनों में ये नहीं है क्योंकि ट्रायंगल खाए हुए. सो दिस इज द आंसर. ज्यादा सोचना नहीं, इसमें तो ट्रायंगल है नहीं फर्स्ट में, सर्कल तो बाहर आना ही है. सो इन दैट केस वी विल आंसर इट. इंटेलिजेंस, स्मार्ट इंटेलिजेंस होते हैं जल्दी करने में. अगेन here it is, another question where you are asked to find out the next. 2 and 1 upon 4, 4 and 1 upon 2 upon 8, 3 and 1 upon 4. okay, 2 4 3 में कुछ कनेक्शन है क्या, ये पहले सब लोग सोचते हैं, लेकिन 2 4 3 में कुछ कनेक्शन नहीं है. there is a connection here. 1 upon 4, 2 upon 8, 1 upon 4. जरा सोचो क्या है कनेक्शन इसमें. 1/4 नहीं है, देखना पड़ेगा. ये 1/4 नहीं है, हमको मालूम है. ये 1/4 नहीं है, ये भी 1/4 नहीं है. दिस इफ डिवाइडेड बाय 4 इट बिकम्स 1/4. करेक्ट. सो दिस इज द आंसर. देखो ज्यादा कुछ मैथ्स नहीं लगाने का, वो उनका द फ्रैक्शन इज सेम इन ऑल केसेस. सो द नेक्स्ट आल्सो विल बी फ्रैक्शन विल बी सेम. होल इज नॉट हैविंग एनी कनेक्शन हियर. Now click on the subscription button below to subscribe the channel, then the bell button to get the notifications of the new videos. Thank you.